Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and hopefully always in the protection of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. My name is Devi Sylvia Wulandari. Thank you for the opportunity this morning. Just here, I will explain a few things about the virus that is running rampant in the world, namely COVID-19. What is COVID-19? COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered type of coronavirus. This is a new virus and disease that we are not know before the outbreak in Wuhan, China in December 2019. What are the symptoms of COVID-19? The most common symptom of COVID-19 are fever, fatigue, and dry cough. Some patients might experience pain and ache, nasal congestion, runny nose, sore throat, or diarrhea. Symptoms experience usually mild and apart gradually. And then, how does COVID-19 spread? People can get COVID-19 from other people who have contracted this virus. COVID-19 can spread from person to person through spark from the nose or mouth that come out when a person infected with COVID-19 coughs or exhale. The spark then fell on the nearby object and surface. People who touch the object or surface and then touch their ears, nose or mouth can be infected with COVID-19. Transmission of COVID-19 can also occur if people inhale a spark that comes out of cough or breath of a person infected with COVID-19. The next, what can I do to protect and prevent the spread of this disease? The first, wash your hands frequently with running water and soap or an alcohol-based antiseptic liquid. Why? Washing your hands with running water and soap or an alcohol-based antiseptic liquid can kill the virus in your hands. The second, keep a distance of at least 1 meter from people who cough or sneeze. Why? When coughing or sneezing, a person expects a spark from his nose can carry the virus. If you get too close, you can breathe this spark and also the COVID-19 virus if the coughing person infected with this disease. The third, avoid touching the ears, nose, and mouth. Why? Hands touch various surfaces of objects and this disease virus can be stuck on the hands, contaminates hand and can carry this virus of the ears, nose or mouth which can be the entry point for this virus to your body so you cough become sick. The fourth, make sure you and those around you follow the ethics of coughing and sneezing by covering your mouth and nose with folded elbows or tissues when coughing or sneezing and immediately removing the used tissue. Why? Spark and spread virus by following the ethic of coughing and sneezing. You protect people around you from virus such as colds, flu, and COVID-19. The last, stay at home if you feel unwell. If you have ever got any difficulty breathing, seek medical help immediately and keep your condition up to date. Follow the direction of your local health service. Why? The Ministry of Health and the local health service will have the latest information about the situation in your area. By notifying your condition in advance, the health work will treat you care immediately, direct you to the right healthcare facility. This step also protect you and help prevent the spread of virus and other infection. From the above explanation, it can be concluded that COVID-19 is a pure disease in the sense that people do not need to be overly agitated. Follow the government recommendation and medical guidance. God willing, COVID-19 is fleeting. Ati'ullah wa ati'ur rasul wa ulil amri minkum. Obey Allah and obey the messenger his and obey the leader among you. Said thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi